Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CROSSCALL Core M5 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening your browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and then we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on the history. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. And of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if in your case this list is too long to do that manually, then I highly recommend to simply tap on Clear Browsing Data, which is at the top. And here we can remove some basic and advanced options. So in basics, we've got browsing history, cookies inside data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. So I will remove everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, all time. So let's simply tap on Clear Data if you're ready. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.